Hello and welcome to this course on RISC-V Assembly Programming. I'm Armstrong Sibera, I'm an Embedded Systems Engineer, and I'm really excited to have you here because by the end of this course, you'll have a strong foundation in assembly language. And not just any assembly language, but RISC-V, the open and growing standard that's shaping the future of processors and embedded systems. In this course, we're going to start from zero. Even if you've never written a single line of assembly before, we'll answer big questions like why should you learn RISC-V assembly? I'll teach you how to work with number systems, how they connect to the world of computers, and we'll walk through how to manipulate registers, perform basic arithmetic and logic operations, and make decisions and do things like branching and jumps and all the nitty-gritties of assembly language programming. We'll also learn things like loops, we'll learn decision making, interacting with users, and even performing system calls. You learn important concepts, things like arrays and stacks, and then we'll put them together in a state machine for real-world control flows. By the time you finish this course, you'll not only understand how RISC-V works at the lowest level, but you'll also be able to write real-world programs in assembly language and understand the output of compilers and be able to read assembly language comfortably. Programs interact with memory, handle input and output, and structure complex logic just like C will be directly at your fingertips, but directly at the machine level. Become very proficient in assembly language. And I'll explain to you in a very simple way. Learning assembly language sharpens your skills in problem solving, optimization, and computer architecture. It not only makes you a better programmer in any language, but it also makes you a better engineer, a better computer engineer. And because RISC-V is open source and rapidly gaining traction in industry, these are future-proof skills that you can take into embedded systems, computer engineering, and even chip design. So grab your keyboard, get ready to work with the simulator, and we'll dive in. Welcome once again to the course, and let's get started.